dew point is a measure of the moisture concentration in the furnace's atmosphere. It is one of the most important process parameters, so its accurate measurement is key to understanding what is going on in a furnace. There are many ways to measure the dew point of a gas sample. Most common industrial dew point analyzers use a capacitance-based sensor with an extractive sampling system. The sample is pulled from the furnace and then passed across a porous dielectric material in the probe to attain a measurement. There are many other components of the sample system. There can be filters, pumps, sample tubing, valves, and flow components. If your dew pointer is not working, there are many areas for potential contamination, especially by moisture, because it can be absorbed onto the material surfaces in the sample system. Once a surface is contaminated, it can take a long time to condition back down to an accurate lower dew point value due to the time for moisture desorption. Dew point probes generally have a fast response to a real increase in the process dew point. The probe response to a lower, drier dew point is not as fast. If you have a filter, that could also be the issue. Although filters are a necessary component of all sampling systems, they can be problematic because they can act as a sponge and retain moisture, especially if a furnace is burned out or idled while the sample system is kept operating. If a filter is not located near the sample port, the sample tubing can also be contaminated with furnace residue. In both these situations, the actual dew point will be impacted by the residual moisture in the sample system. The residual moisture will be negatively impacted by the accuracy of the measured dew point. The size of the filter is important too. It needs to have enough surface area so that it does not need to be changed out too frequently, but it should not be too large that it has a long conditioning time. Regarding sample lines, stainless steel tubing is the preferred material for these lines, especially for lower dew point processes. Passivated tubing will help promote a faster response time. Polyethylene tubing should be avoided as trace levels of moisture can actually diffuse through it and impact the measured dew point value. If you're having an issue with your dew pointer, please contact Air Products and we can help you diagnose the problem and offer solutions with our own dew point monitoring device.